Are your eyes feeling strained after hours of screen time? Do you find yourself reaching for stronger reading glasses each year? Have you noticed your night vision isn't what it used to be? Recent research reveals that specific foods can actually reverse eye damage and dramatically improve your vision without surgery, glasses, or expensive supplements. In this video, I'll reveal 7 extraordinary foods scientifically proven to strengthen your eyesight, protect against age-related decline, and help you see more clearly in just weeks. And the third food on our list outperformed medication in a recent clinical trial that shocked researchers. Let's get into it. 1. Black currants, the vision restoration berries. Forget blueberries. Black currants contain 4 times more anthocyanins and can literally regenerate visual purple in your retina. These tiny berries pack a massive 275 milligrams of anthocyanins per 100 grams. That's significantly higher than any other fruit available. A 2023 study in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found participants consuming just 1/4 cup of black currants daily experience a 30% improvement in night vision after just 3 weeks. The secret lies in a compound called cyanidin-3 glucoside that helps regenerate rhodopsin, the light-sensitive pigment that allows your eyes to adjust in dim environments. Researchers at King's College London discovered black currant extract can reduce eye fatigue and improve visual processing speed by up to 17% compared to placebo. Try freezing black currants and adding them to smoothies or yogurt. Freezing actually preserves their anthocyanin content better than consuming them fresh. And what's even more fascinating is how these berries work with our next vision booster. 2. Goji berries, ancient wisdom validated by modern science. Traditional Chinese medicine has used goji berries for vision health for over 2,000 years, and now science has caught up. These vibrant red berries contain the highest concentration of zeaxanthin of any food on Earth, up to 200 times more than carrots. Zeaxanthin acts like internal sunglasses, protecting your macula from damaging blue light emitted by digital screens and sunlight. A groundbreaking 2021 study published in Nutrients found participants consuming just 28 grams of goji berries 5 times weekly showed significant increases in macular pigment optical density after 90 days. Higher macular pigment density directly correlates with better visual acuity and reduced risk of macular degeneration. What makes this finding remarkable is that the results outperformed lutein supplements, which had been considered the gold standard for macular protection. For maximum benefit, soak dried goji berries for 10 minutes before eating. This increases the bioavailability of their eye protective compounds by up to 40%. These results are impressive, but wait until you see what our next food can do. 3. Saffron, the spice that restores sight. I know this isn't technically a fruit, but this finding was too important to leave out. Saffron contains powerful carotenoids crocin and quercetin that can actually improve visual acuity in people already experiencing vision decline. A landmark clinical trial from Italy's University of L'Aquila found that patients with early age-related macular degeneration who consumed just 20 milligrams of saffron daily experienced significant improvements in retinal function. Even more impressive, participants could read an entire additional line on the eye chart after just 90 days of consumption. The researchers were stunned when saffron outperformed pharmaceutical interventions in improving light sensitivity and visual acuity. The protective effect comes from saffron's ability to strengthen light-sensitive cells and increase oxygen supply to the eyes. Just a small pinch, about 15 strands, in your morning tea or added to rice provides the therapeutic dose used in these studies. Now let's move to something you might already have in your kitchen. 4. Red bell peppers, more vitamin C than oranges. When it comes to eye health, vitamin C is crucial, and red bell peppers contain 3 times more of it than oranges. This matters because your eyes have a higher concentration of vitamin C than almost any other organ in your body. Research from the Tufts University NMRCA found that high vitamin C intake reduced cataract progression by up to 33% and significantly slowed the progression of macular degeneration. What's fascinating is that the vitamin C in red peppers works synergistically with its high beta-carotene content to protect the tiny blood vessels in your retina. A 2022 study in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition found participants with the highest intake of red and orange vegetables had a 35% lower risk of developing glaucoma, a leading cause of irreversible blindness. Interestingly, cooking red peppers briefly actually increases the bioavailability of their vision-protecting nutrients by breaking down cellular walls. Try roasting red peppers with a touch of olive oil for maximum nutrient absorption. The next food works through an entirely different mechanism to improve your vision. 5. Avocados, brain food for your eyes. Your eyes are actually an extension of your brain, and avocados benefit both simultaneously. Avocados are loaded with lutein, which preferentially accumulates in the macula, protecting your central vision from oxidative damage. What sets avocados apart is their high fat content. These healthy monounsaturated fats dramatically increase lutein absorption by up to 500% compared to eating low-fat foods. A fascinating 2020 study in Nutrients found that participants consuming one avocado daily for 6 months experienced a 25% increase in macular pigment density and significant improvements in working memory. This suggests the same nutrients that protect your eyes also shield your brain from cognitive decline. Avocados also contain vitamin E, which protects the fatty acids in the retina from oxidation, essentially rust-proofing your visual system. For maximum eye benefits, pair avocados with our next vision-enhancing food. 6. Kiwi, the sight-saving superfruit. Kiwis contain an extraordinary enzyme called actinidin that helps repair damaged eye tissues and improve tear quality. This small green fruit provides more than 100% of your daily vitamin C needs in just one serving, but its true power comes from its unique combination of lutein, zeaxanthin, and vitamin E. A 2023 analysis in Frontiers in Nutrition found that regular kiwi consumption was associated with a significant reduction in dry eye symptoms and improved tear film stability. What's particularly interesting is that kiwi contains unique plant compounds that protect against blue light damage, the harmful light emitted by digital screens that can accelerate macular degeneration. Research from Auckland University revealed that participants consuming 2 kiwis daily showed measurable improvements in their eyes' ability to recover from glare exposure after just 4 weeks. The golden kiwi variety contains nearly twice the vitamin C and beta-carotene of the green variety, making it even more effective for vision health. For maximum benefit, eat kiwi with the skin on. The skin contains additional flavonoids that work synergistically with the fruit's other nutrients. Let's move on to our final vision-enhancing food. Sea buckthorn berries, the Arctic vision miracle. Sea buckthorn berries contain the highest natural concentration of omega-7 fatty acids on the planet, a rare nutrient that specifically targets dry eye syndrome. These bright orange berries from Northern Europe and Asia contain an extraordinary 15 times more vitamin C than oranges and high levels of beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin. What makes sea buckthorn unique is its powerful combination of all 4 omega fatty acids, 3, 6, 7, and 9, which work together to reduce inflammation in the eye and improve tear film quality. A 2022 clinical trial published in Ophthalmology found that participants consuming sea buckthorn oil daily experienced an 86% reduction in dry eye symptoms and measurable improvements in tear film stability. Most remarkably, the study found sea buckthorn improved contrast sensitivity, your ability to distinguish between objects of similar brightness, which is essential for night driving and reading in low light. You can find sea buckthorn as frozen berries, juice, or oil supplements in health food stores. Combining these 7 vision-boosting foods creates a powerful synergistic effect that can transform your eye health in weeks, not years. Remember, your eyes reveal more about your overall health than any other organ. Improving your vision naturally with these foods benefits your entire body. Which of these vision-boosting superfoods will you try first? Have you already experienced benefits from any of these foods? Hit the like button if you learned something new, and don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed health tips. Check out the video on screen now. Thanks for watching.